then it will be in a position so you can replace the head. And that's what we're gonna do now. Okay? So, any head you want to replace, just remember, okay? The heads are labeled H0, H1, H2, H3, H4, 5, 6, H7. And it is important, you know, when we're troubleshooting problem, we will ask you to send us a pattern test. We'll show you later how to do that. Okay.
When later? Tomorrow?
It doesn't take me long. So, you need to know how to identify the heads. Okay. Okay. So which one you want to replace?
H4.
H4. H1, H0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now. Okay. So.
That's not 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Listen.
Oh,
H0, H1,
See,
H2.
it has to be stupid like that. They can't just name 1, 1.
What's good, man?
Israelis. This is typical Israeli.
So that's H4. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
When you 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, before.
Genius.
Before, because.
Genius, not even genius. Genius.
In Hebrew, you write from right to left, right? In Hebrew, you write from. This one used to be, you know, they call it before H0. M0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth, because they write from right to left.
It's the Hebrew.
Yeah, Hebrew, yeah.
You know why, right?
Why?
Arabic.
Yeah.
That's why the Hebrews adopted it from the Arabs.
So the first thing you do, you loosen the two screws completely all the way. Okay. Then you open this door cover. All right. Then you release the board. You press on the screw, back and
What did
front.
you do in the back?
Press on the screw. Okay, I release the board. The head.
Which
I
screw?
think you
Which
can
screw?
put the mirror.
The golden screw.
Can you put the mirror?
Yeah, we don't
over there?
know what you're passing.
Because, yeah.
What? First thing I did, I'm screwed